Stage 4, Stage 3, कैंसर, लंग कैंसर, यूएस, सिंगापुर। संजय दत्त और उनकी बीमारी को लेके मीडिया में स्पेकुलेशंस खत्म नहीं हो रहे। While the actor has just shared that he is taking a break from work for health issues, it seems that people have decided to share multiple different diagnoses for the star. Well guys, where there is Bollywood, there are going to be rumors, but sometimes people's love for a particular star or just their love for gossip goes a bit too far. Now recently, Sanjay Dutt's close friend and producer of the film Torbaz, which stars Sanjay Dutt, had to send out a public clarification and a request to people to stop speculating about Sanjay Dutt's health and to stop spreading rumors that Sanjay Dutt is terminally or gravely ill. Here's the story. While Sanjay Dutt or his family have not officially confirmed the nature and seriousness of Sanjay Dutt's illness, many sources in the media had shared that the actor has been diagnosed with lung cancer and that he may fly abroad soon to get the best treatment. While Sanjay Dutt had just said that he was taking a break due to health issues, soon social media was flooded with multiple assumptions about the actor's illness, with many speculating the stage of the supposed illness and even alleging that the actor is terminally ill. Sanjay's wife Manyata had put out a statement requesting that people not spread fake rumors and speculations and give the family privacy and much needed support and prayers instead. The actor, who had several films lined up this year, is supposed to finish dubbing for Sadak 2 before he begins treatment as per reports. Sanjay, who has also the films Torbaz and KGF 2 lined up, which will supposedly release this year or early next year. With rumors continuing, Sanjay's friend and producer of Torbaz, Rahul Mitra, has now spoken to a newspaper and has squashed the baseless speculations around the actor's health. Rahul ने कहा है कि संजय की हेल्थ बिल्कुल क्रिटिकल या टर्मिनल नहीं है. Rahul Mitra said, "This is utter rubbish. Sanju is undergoing preliminary treatment in Mumbai and results of certain tests have yet to come. He is a fighter and will come out of this too as a winner. I don't have an iota of doubt on this, and this reaction is just not based on emotions but facts too. Please stop speculating, and if still you have to do something, just wish good for him." Interestingly, a source has also revealed that contrary to reports, Sanjay is not traveling abroad just yet for any treatment. The news report quotes the source, who has reportedly said, "When he has some of the best doctors and treatments available to him here only, and if the disease can be managed and treated here in India itself, why should he go anywhere else? At least for now, he doesn't need to go anywhere. He is responding very well to treatment here, and if later on required, he may travel abroad for treatment." We wish Sanjay a very speedy recovery and hope we can see him back on a movie set very soon.